Hello and welcome to this series on a9s Search. Today we're going to look at one of the a9s data services newest addition, a9s Search. We will explore the technology behind it, have a quick overview on how it plays into the existing a9 data services bundle, and go over the basic concepts related to the service itself. First and foremost, we describe a9s Search as a full-text search and analytics engine to store, search, and analyze huge volumes of data. In layman's terms, a9s Search is a data service from the a9s Data Services bundle, which provides a full lifecycle automation for OpenSearch, a powerful community-driven search engine powered by Apache Lucene. But what about OpenSearch? Well, as mentioned before, OpenSearch is a community-driven project that offers an open-source alternative to the now restrictively licensed Elasticsearch search engine and the Kibana visualization dashboard. It is also capable of maintaining full compatibility with Elasticsearch 7.10.2. In a nutshell, a9s Search is meant as a full replacement to a9s Elasticsearch. This will enable users to move their previously bound applications from one service to the other seamlessly. It will also give platform owners the ability to continue offering a world-class search engine to their platform users and customers without worrying about licensing risks. We will talk about it in future episodes of this series, so keep an eye on our social media for updates. With that being said, thanks for watching. In the next episode, we will talk about indexes and search engines.